English Hebrew, to have.
יש.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master to have in Hebrew with
יש.
smiles on, shoulders relaxed, let's roll. Your goal today. You'll say what you have, what others have, and what an object has, fast and confidently. In Hebrew, we use
יש.
plus to me, you, etc. to express to have. I have.
יש לי.
You, sg, m, have.
יש לך.
He has.
יש לו.
She has.
יש לה.
It has, mask, item.
יש לו.
We have.
יש לנו.
You, plural, have.
יש לכם.
They have.
יש להם.
Quick compare. German, haben. If you know some German, this will click immediately. German forms for the verb, to have, haben, ich habe, du hast, hat, sie hat, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Hebrew uses one core word.
יש.
Plus pronoun, e.g., ich habe, equals.
יש לי.
Du hast, equals.
יש לך.
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Listen, repeat, and smile. You've got this. A. Do you have time? In Hebrew.
יש לך זמן?
B. Yes.
יש לי.
A few minutes. A. Great, he has the tickets.
יש לו את הכרטיסים.
B. And she has snacks.
יש לה חטיפים.
A. The bike? It has lights.
יש לו פנסים.
B. Then we're set.
יש לנו.
Everything.
יש.
Clap beat drill. Beat the rhythm and speak it, your mouth remembers the music. Clap, clap. I have.
יש לי.
Point at a friend. You have.
יש לך.
Thumbs at him. He has.
יש לו.
Gesture to her. She has.
יש לה.
Group cheer. We have.
יש לנו.
You, plural, have.
יש לכם.
They have.
יש להם.
Feature talk. It has. Describe objects like a pro, short, simple, and smart. The phone? It has a great camera.
יש לו מצלמה מעולה.
The sandwich? It has cheese.
יש לו גבינה.
Even my toaster brags. It has 4 toast levels.
יש לו 4 דרגות קלייה.
Quiz time. Quick fire. Answer after the pause. Say in Hebrew, we have time. Answer.
יש לנו זמן.
Say in Hebrew, they have 2 cats. Answer.
יש להם 2 חתולים.
Say in Hebrew, do you, plural, have the receipt? Answer.
יש לכם את הקבלה?
What's the base word for to have in Hebrew? Answer.
יש.
Culture tip. A tiny word with big power, use it every day. In everyday Hebrew.
יש.
Also means, there is, are, and the negative is.
אין.
Correct. I don't have money.
אין לי כסף.
Feminine you.
יש לך.
For feminine objects, it has, can be.
יש לה.
Your speaking challenge. Say it out loud, confidence on, mic imaginary. 1. I have a book.
יש לי ספר.
Now swap, I, for, he.
יש לו ספר.
2. Ask a friend, male, do you have water?
יש לך מים?
Answer for the group.
יש לנו מים.
3. Point to a team, they have tickets.
יש להם כרטיסים.
High five yourself. Goodbye. You crushed it, short, sweet, effective. Nice work, do. You now command, to have.
יש. יש לי. יש לך. יש לו. יש לה. יש לנו. יש לכם. יש להם.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and remember to visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning magic from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.